Welcome back. Just think what you could do with some extra cash. Well, that's what Jason M. Rudy, the president of the Home Loan Arranger, can help you with. And he has some big mortgage news. If you've been waiting for 30-year fixed rates to reach under 2.5%, wait no longer. He has some big mortgage news for us today. If you have been waiting for a 30-year fixed rate to reach under 2.5, wait no longer. Is that right? Really?
That is right.
That's where we are right now?
30-year fixed rates, Gina, 2.25%.
I just never thought we'd get to that point.
2.25%.
Okay, let's talk refinance. This is the time. If you're going to do it, we're under 2.75. Where you say we're at that point. This is the perfect time. This is why people should be doing it right now, correct?
Absolutely, Gina. Now is the time for Colorado homeowners to exercise what's called a rate and term refinance. Basically, they're going to lower their interest rate, they're going to lower their monthly payment, and they're going to save a ton of money in interest, which is the name of the game. You want to pay the least amount of interest possible on any loan.
Yep, so absolutely.
Now is the opportunity for homeowners to grab 2.25 on a 30-year fixed and 1.999 on a 15-year fixed.
On a 15-year fix.
Yes.
All right, this is something I want to ask you about because it says here on the paper, appraisal waivers. I don't know if I've ever really heard about those before. Can you tell us about them?
Yep, absolutely. So, Gina, I would say over 98% of the files that I have in my office today, we're getting appraisal waivers. So that does a couple things for the homeowner. A, it saves them around $700 for an appraisal, and B, saves us a ton of time on the transaction. So we're able to get loans closed as fast as 10 business days. Gina, I would say most of my competitors, or a good portion of my competitors, are at 6 to 8 weeks turn time for a refinance transaction. My company can still close a transaction as fast as 10 business days.
Wow, that is a big deal because that appraisal can take a long time and all the things that come up on it and all that stuff.
That's right.
All right, now I understand Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, they've added 0.5%?
They've added a half a point.
Half a point.
To all refinance transactions.
Okay.
For loans that have to be delivered to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac by December 1st. So the misconception with a lot of homeowners is they think they have until December 1st to take advantage of the lowest interest rates possible. That's not true. Lenders have to deliver the loan to Fannie Freddie by December 1st.
Okay.
And so if it takes you 4 to 6 weeks to close a loan, you just don't have enough time to deliver that loan. So the majority of my competitors have already built in that half a point to their pricing, to their interest rates today. My company will not adjust my interest rates until the 9th of October. So homeowners have until the 9th of October to call my company, take advantage of the lowest interest rates possible. Anything after the 9th, that half a point
that kicks in.
Comes into play with my company. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Now is the time also to exercise a cash out refinance. If you need that extra money, man, a lot of people can right now, Jason.
Absolutely. We've talked about this. Beat the bills. Don't let the bills beat you. And with interest rates so low, Gina, you can refinance, consolidate all of your debt into a lower monthly payment, possibly saving $1,000, $2,000, maybe $3,000 per month. And more than likely, with 30-year rates so low, 30-year fixed rates so low, you're going to get a better interest rate than what you have. So get a better rate than what you have, a lower rate, consolidate your debt, lower your outgoing debt payments by $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month.
A lot of people, though, Jason, I'll be honest, don't want to refinance because they're scared they're going to have to just go ahead and get another 30-year loan.
Yes.
They've put some good money towards the loan they already have. They don't want to start all over again.
I would agree. Gina, we can customize a loan term to whatever works for the homeowner. So if they want to start over on 27 years or 26 years, 24, 23, whatever works for the homeowner, we can customize that loan term so they don't have to start over on a 30-year fixed term.
All right, I'm sure there's lots of people out there watching us thinking this can't be true, especially with some of the numbers you're talking about. If they go ahead and refinance now or go ahead and just get a new loan, when's their first payment going to be due?
December 1st.
What?
It's incredible.
That seems so far away.
I know, but we're at a perfect time in the month of October or September. Call today, skip your October payment, November payment, first payment due December 1st.
One of these things I want to go back to, I just want to make sure I understand correctly, and that maybe I may have misspoke, but first week of October, you are saying what, do they have till December or October to get that in for the Freddie Mac?
With my company,
right.
Homeowners have until October 9th, which is
okay.
a Friday,
okay.
to call my company and lock in with the lowest interest rates possible. Anything after that, my company will incorporate that half a point adjustment for all refinances.
Now's the time.
Now is
You guys
the
are
time.
all over this, and that's what
Yes.
people want to know.
Now is the time to seize the moment with these historically low interest rates.
I always think that you've always hit a certain low every time I talk to you, and then you come back in with another number just to help our viewers out. We
It's awesome.
appreciate that. Thank you so much,
Thanks
Jason.
for having me, Gina.
The Home Loan Arranger is one of Colorado's premier mortgage lenders. They are accredited with BBB and offer local fast closings. Call 303-862-4742 today or log on to thehomeloanarranger.com. They paid for today's segment.